I'm gonna cook these noodles, yeah. I'm gonna cook these noodles, yeah. I'm worried they're gonna be so spicy. Yeah. So spicy as a motherfucker ass noodle. Sorry. We've got Kim Jong-un as a chicken holding a bomb in front of the hot spicy ass noodles. It looks like there's kimchi on the package, but I don't know if there's kimchi inside. Rachel, do you think these are going to be so spicy?
So spicy.
So spicy. They're in my pocket, so they might be kind of broken. But it looks like directions say, put the noodles in boiling water. And it says, put flakes and stir well and serve. And then you have this boiling hot pot of noodles. And it says, sachet powder must be put before eat. So you know it's good. I've got to save 8 spoons of water, but this is really hot. Ooh, I think like 1 ramekin should be enough. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm just using the camera to put the noodles back on. Okay, the next step says reserve 8 spoons of water, remove noodles from water, and put the liquid soup and stir fry. So here we go. Oh no. This looks so spicy. The next step, it already smells like fire. It says put flakes and stir well. Here we go. Oh my gosh. The smell in here just smells like fire. I licked a chopstick and my face is already burning, so I think we're gonna go POV on this one. These are the spiciest noodles, and they were given to me by my friend Emma. And I'm gonna admit to a respectful level of fear on these. This was probably too spicy of a place to start. The steam off these is already making my eyes bleed. But they look delicious. And I can't really wait to try them. So, without further ado, these are, I don't even know the name of these. These are the spiciest noodles, Emma style. Kumbaya. I'll tell you what, the texture is great. But I can already tell. I don't know how many of you had SpaghettiOs growing up. Well, this is nothing like those. I think I'm already breaking a sweat after the first bite. Here we go again. Oh no, my lips are going numb. Cheers. Mmm. Whew. I'll tell you what, the flavor is really good. But the spice is painful. These are probably the spiciest noodles I've ever had. Mmm. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get a glass of water. I'll be right back. Oh, thank you, Rachel.
You're welcome.
Oh my god. Ugh. These are the spiciest noodles I've ever eaten. I'm sweating. My lips are on fire. I think I'm starting to hallucinate. I know stuff gets hotter than this, but oh my gosh. I'm gonna speed up the rest of this video because this is too painful.
Was life worth living out here alone? Or should I spend the rest of it right here at home? It's on my mind, I need some time to think. Yeah, it's on my mind, I need some time.
Oh my god. I don't know why I filmed this, but this is 100% one of the spiciest things. Holy god. I've ever eaten in my life. 100% pure pain. Please buy them.
12 seconds later.
Water doesn't help. Nothing helps. Is that milk?
Yeah, just try that.
Ugh. I don't like milk.
But it's helping.
It helps.
Please switch it around. Suck in your lips with the milk in your mouth so it coats your lips.
Oh, my lips are on fire. I can see now. Oh my god! It's been 5 minutes. It keeps getting spicier. I don't recommend this anymore. I do recommend it. It's really good. Ow. Bye.